Off the coast of East Africa, surrounded by the turquoise waters of the Indian Ocean, lies Zanzibar, an island that feels like a dream painted in shades of blue and gold. Known as the Spice Island, Zanzibar is a place where time slows down, history whispers through coral stone walls, and the rhythm of the ocean sets the pace of life. For centuries, traders from Arabia, Persia, India, and Africa crossed these seas, bringing with them spices, stories, and traditions that would shape the island's soul. Their legacy lives on in Stone Town, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, a maze of narrow alleys, ornate wooden doors, and lively markets filled with the scent of clove and cinnamon. Here, every corner tells a story. The echoes of the past mingle with the laughter of children playing in the streets, and the call to prayer drifts through the humid air as the sun sets over the harbor. Beyond Stone Town, the island opens up into a paradise of white sand beaches and crystal clear waters. The shores of Nungwi and Paje seem endless, kissed by gentle waves and framed by swaying palm trees. Traditional wooden dhows glide across the horizon, their sails catching the soft evening light as fishermen return home. Under the surface, a different world awaits. Coral gardens teeming with tropical fish, sea turtles, and dolphins dancing in the deep blue. Zanzibar's reefs are among the most vibrant in the Indian Ocean, a living mosaic of color and motion. But Zanzibar is more than its beauty. It's the warmth of its people, the rhythm of taarab music, and the spice-scented breeze that carries memories of centuries past. It's a place that connects cultures, oceans, and hearts, a crossroads of humanity surrounded by endless sea. As night falls, lanterns flicker along the beach, and the sky glows with a million stars. In that moment, Zanzibar feels eternal, a timeless island where the spirit of Africa meets the magic of the Indian Ocean. This is Zanzibar, where every sunrise feels like a blessing and every sunset a promise to return.